dishwasher was being spilling all over Mom's trunk, and he wiped all the drips with my shirt, and my mom said, "Don't do that," because that was my shirt.
But she washed it, huh? What happened, Mia? What? What? Make your face. Mia, go like this. Go. Crunch. Crunch.
I slid it. It's buckled my pants.
Did you? You buckled it? Oh, cool. I missed it.
Take my shirt off and it went like this.
Well, that's a good way to hold it, huh?
Backed off of my shirt.
Did you bonk your head, Mia? Whoa!
I fell down.
I wonder if I got that on video. Let's see.